Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make caramel apple cookies. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 egg, 2½ cups of flour, a cup of applesauce, a cup of sugar, a ½ cup of softened butter, a ½ cup of caramel chips, 2 teaspoons of molasses, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a ½ teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll cream together our ½ cup of butter and cup of sugar. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using a stand mixer on low speed. Once creamed, we'll mix in our egg, cup of applesauce, 2 teaspoons of molasses, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until well combined. Then we'll whisk together our 2½ cups flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it with our wet ingredients, about a 1/4 cup at a time, until we have a stiff batter. And then add our caramel chips to our dough. Once our dough is combined, we'll place about 2 tablespoons of our cookie dough on a silicone or wax paper lined cookie sheet about 2 inches apart and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown, about 20 minutes. Then we'll allow them to cool on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.